What's up everybody? Welcome back to another video. First off, I just want to start off and apologize to you guys and girls. I haven't been keeping up with my weekly uploads at all. I think it's probably been 3 weeks or a month since my last upload, and to be honest, life has just been super busy. I've been having a lot of important things happen in my life, like my friends getting married. A lot of events that were held off because of the pandemic are finally starting to happen, and these last 2 months I've just been traveling like crazy and participating in a lot of personal events. But hopefully from this point on, I keep up with more consistent uploads, but even so, I can't even promise that, but I'm gonna let you guys know and promise you guys that at least I will try. But what we have in store for today is pretty exciting. I'm gonna be installing a rear diffuser. And I've been holding on this for a little bit. Haven't had time to install it, obviously, but I'm super excited to show you guys what diffuser that we ended up going with. The rear end of the Supra is one of my favorite angles of the car, especially with wide hips. And I think this diffuser is really gonna add on to that. It follows the body lines perfectly and goes so well with the Seibon MB style wing. I'm so excited to show you guys, but I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap this diffuser for you guys. So the good thing about video editing is I can snap my fingers and it'll all unwrap for you guys. So 1, 2, 3. And there it is, y'all. We have a 5-piece carbon fiber diffuser, the NSR carbon fiber rear diffuser. So this carbon fiber diffuser comes in 5 pieces. It comes with, you get the 2 spats. You got the 2 fins that go onto the stock OEM diffuser, which connects to the under panel. And let me show you guys that, but look at the carbon fiber. And lastly, lastly, we got the carbon fiber, the under panel that puts it all together. And the cool thing about this is you can see that it has indents or divots for the rear spats to sit on and connect. So everything should fit perfectly. And if any of you guys are interested in picking up the same diffuser, I'm gonna go ahead and link it down in my description below. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the car and reverse it in, jack the car up, and let's get started with this install here. So what I'm gonna do first is for the 2 side plates, I already washed the car. I'm just gonna go ahead and prep this surface, which cleans up pretty much everything on there. It works kind of like an adhesion promoter. So it's gonna completely clean the surface. Ooh, the bottom of the car is still dirty. And what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna go ahead and lay out my 3M on the diffuser. Again, the kit came with some, but I'm gonna choose to use one that's just a little bit stronger. And because it's stronger, I'm not gonna go ahead and lay it perfectly across everywhere. I'm just actually gonna throw bits and pieces of it on it. So I think this is gonna be good enough, to be honest, with that stronger tape. And then you're also gonna go, you can self-tap it from the bottom if you want as well. That's the first piece, guys. That actually looks really good. All right, let's get the other side, and I can then test if the underplate works with that exhaust, which I really hope it does. All right, now that I've got the 2 side pieces on, which was super easy, I should actually show you guys this first. If you guys see this diffuser, there's actually some inlays that's divoted in, so you can fit that part of the diffuser perfectly inside. But just to give you guys an idea of how it looks like, and it fits with the exhaust perfectly. This is gonna look so cool. That's how I have the 3M laid right there. Again, this is 30-pound or even 60, I forgot what pound, at least 30-pound tape. And this thing does not weigh 30 pounds. So it's also gonna be secured by self-tapper screws. So I just put a little bit on there to help keep it flush. And then when I need to, pull it off, it'll be easier, because if you put 3M tape all the way through, that thing is never gonna come off. I feel I'm perfectly put though. How the diffuser looks, guys. Looks pretty freaking gnarly. I haven't even put the self-tapping screws on yet, but I gotta admit, that looks pretty freaking good. Holy. That exhaust just sticks out so perfectly. Now that we got the young fins on, all we have to do is go ahead and drill them in. Voila, we're all done. All right, y'all, I have the diffuser all bolted up and 3M taped up, so I'm just gonna go ahead and drop the car. Let's do this. Camera's almost dead, so I'll probably drop the car and then charge up the camera and show you guys the rest of the car when the battery's all charged up. Damn, that looks raw.